At number 1, we have the Shark Stratos DuoClean Vacuum. Shark's flagship upright vacuum is one of the most powerful machines they've ever produced, designed for heavy daily traffic. The DuoClean PowerFins Hair Pro system features 2 brush rolls working together. The self-cleaning design prevents hair wrap, making it perfect for pet owners. With powered lift-away mode, you can detach the pod to reach under furniture or high above the floor with ease. The sealed HEPA system traps 99.9% of allergens, while odor neutralizer technology keeps your home smelling fresh. It tackles stubborn pet hair effortlessly. Plus, the easy empty dust cup means no more reaching into the dirt. If maximum cleaning performance is your priority, the Shark Stratos is the best choice for your home.
Introducing the Shark Power Detect Cordless Stick Vacuum. The perfect solution for powerful cordless cleaning convenience. Its intelligent Power Detect technology automatically adjusts suction, delivering optimal performance across all your floors. And with Direction Detect, it cleans powerfully in both forward and backward strokes, finishing the job faster. The innovative multi-flex wand bends to reach under furniture effortlessly, so you can clean without kneeling or bending over. With a removable battery offering up to 70 minutes of runtime, you can deep clean your entire home. From hard-to-reach corners to pet hair on furniture, its versatile tools tackle any mess with impressive pickup performance. When you're done, the auto-empty dock automatically charges the vacuum and locks away dirt and debris for up to 45 days. Its anti-allergen complete seal locks away 99.97% of allergens and dust, so you can breathe easier. The Shark Power Detect Cordless Stick Vacuum.
Tired of tackling wet and dry messes with separate tools? There's a better way. Introducing the Shark HydroVac Mess Master. Cordless vacuum, an innovative all-in-one vacuum and mop designed for sealed hard floors. It simultaneously picks up dry debris, washes the floor, and removes liquid spills, significantly reducing cleaning time. Its advanced 2-tank system keeps clean water separate from dirty water, ensuring only fresh solution reaches your floors. The HydroVac performs exceptionally well on hardwood, tile, laminate, and even refreshes low-pile area rugs. Everyday messes like muddy footprints, pet accidents, and sticky stains are cleaned quickly with minimal effort. After cleaning, simply place it on its dock and activate the self-cleaning rinse cycle to flush the brush roll and prevent odors. Its cordless design makes it convenient to carry between rooms, providing enough runtime for everyday cleaning. The Shark HydroVac Mess Master. The all-in-one cleaner families with children and pets will especially appreciate.